Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture. Today I am going to be sharing how to make a delicious al pastor pizza at home. But first, if you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. To make this pizza, you can use store-bought pizza dough or you can make your own using a bread machine. I will leave you the link for the recipe that I like to make in the description of this video. This time we are going to make a thin and crispy pizza. Now that our dough is ready, we are going to pour a lot of salsa verde. You can click the link above for the recipe. And this sauce is what is going to give a different flavor to your pizza. What I like about salsa verde is that you can control how spicy it is. Now we are going to add one of my favorite parts of pizza, that is cheese. We are going to use chihuahua shredded cheese. If you cannot find chihuahua, you can use mozzarella as well. If you like creative cooking, making pizza is very satisfying. And I love to see how plain pizza dough is going to be transformed in a delicious dish. And now we're going to add the al pastor meat. If you want to make the meat at home, please click the link above for the al pastor adobo recipe. And also you can use a store-bought al pastor meat, or you can ask your favorite taco place if they can sell the meat for you. Now we're going to add pineapple. As you know, al pastor meat goes very nice with pineapple. And now we're going to add a little curb appeal to this pizza, and we're going to add cilantro and onions. And adding cilantro and onion is like adding a landscape to this pizza. And to finish it up, this pizza, we're going to add some crumbles of feta cheese. We preheated the oven at 425 Fahrenheit degrees, and this pizza is ready to be baked. We're gonna bake it for about 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are very nice and golden. Wow, this pizza is ready. I really hope that you can give it a try because this pizza is one of my favorites. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope that you like this recipe, and if you like it, please don't forget to give it some love, share it with your friends. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment box below, and see you next time. Bye bye.